Hello children, I hope you are doing great. Even I am fine. Here we again meet for a story time. So today I am going to tell you a story of Jack and the Beanstalk. So let's listen to the story. Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there was a boy. His name was Jack. He lived on the farm with his mother. But Jack and his mother were very poor, so they didn't have enough money and food to feed themselves. One day, Jack's mother told him that the cow is no more giving milk because it's too old. We have to sell it. I can do it, Mom. Don't worry, said Jack. So Jack went to the town with the cow to sell it for some money. When Jack was going to the town, he saw an old man. Beans for sale, beans for sale. I have magic beans. Do you want to see that? See, there are magic beans in the old man's hand. Magic beans? Jack had never heard of that. So he was so happy to hear that, and he was surprised too. So he immediately grabbed the offer of the old man. He quickly swapped the cow for some magic beans. The old man took the cow and he gave all the magic beans to Jack. Jack ran off the way to home with his bag of beans. When Jack gave all the magic beans to his mom was very angry because they didn't have anything now. She said, "We don't have any milk, we don't have a cow, we don't have any money. What are we going to do with these magic beans now?" So she grabbed Jack and she threw the magic beans out of the window. See how she's throwing it out. But the next morning, when Jack woke up, he saw there was a huge beanstalk growing in his garden. He was so surprised, he couldn't even see the end of it. As he looked up, he saw the beanstalk has grown and reached the sky. So he thought to climb it up. He climbed, and when he reached the top, he saw a huge castle at the end of it. Now, Jack slowly went inside the castle and tiptoed and looked inside. What is inside the castle? Who stays here? And you know what he saw? He saw a huge giant. And what was he doing? He was counting golden coins. So much gold, Jack said to himself. Soon the giant fell fast asleep. While he snored, Jack crept out and filled his pockets with gold coins. 1, 2, 3, and as many as he could. But the clinking and clanking of the coins had disturbed his sleep. So the giant woke up. "Fee, fi, fo, fum," he shouted. "I smell the blood of an Englishman. I will catch you. Here I come. Stomp, stomp, stomp." His big feet thundered as he ran after Jack. But Jack scrambled down the beanstalk. Zippity zip! He was so quick that the giant could not catch him. The golden coins made Jack's mother very happy. They bought a new cow with those money. But Jack thought there must be something more in the castle which can make them richer. So the next day, he again went back to the castle. And to his surprise, you know what he saw? He saw a golden hen which laid golden eggs. And the giant was grabbing all the golden eggs and looking happy. As soon as the giant fell asleep, Jack tiptoed inside the castle. And just as before, the giant could not find Jack, so he gobbled up his food and fell asleep. Jack grabbed the hen and the golden eggs and he climbed back down the beanstalk. The gold eggs made Jack and his mother rich again, but Jack wanted more. He climbed back up the beanstalk to the castle, and he found a beautiful golden harp, and he took it home with him. But then the giant woke up and noticed that his beautiful harp was gone. He looked down and saw a small boy climbing down the beanstalk. But the harp was a magical one. It cried out to the giant, "Help! Help! Somebody is stealing me!" The giant saw that the harp was with Jack and he ran after him. He ran as fast as he could, but Jack ran faster, and as he reached the ground, he quickly got hold of an axe and cut the beanstalk before the giant could catch him. With all the riches Jack had got, the golden eggs, the magic harp, and some of the golden coins, Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. They were no longer poor. So children, that was the story of the Jack and the Beanstalk. Did you like the story? Show me thumbs up. Yes. Do tell it to your friends and family. Okay? Take care till next time. Bye.